Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the most common thing, vegetable or salad. It is called carrot. And what are the benefits of carrot and how carrot, such a small thing, can be extremely beneficial if we eat it consciously and wisely. But many times what happens, these kind of thoughts comes, it's just a carrot, how it will give any nutrition to us, and that's why we take one piece of carrot or two pieces of carrot, and we don't pay so much attention to carrot because carrot is very easily available in almost all countries and it's very cheap. It costs very less, but it is so good to know, like, it has tremendous benefits. So today's video is all about carrot and what Ayurveda has to say about carrot and what are its benefits, and you can use carrot in your daily day-to-day life and achieve wonders in health. About carrot, the most common knowledge that we have, that is, it is very good for eyes. If you have a weak eyesight, okay, have carrot. So this much everybody knows because it is very rich source in vitamin A, which is very essential for our eyes, and that's why whenever we have glasses on our eyes or some kind of disease in our eyes, we always recommend people, like, please have some carrot as a salad or something. But you would be surprised to know, in India, whenever carrot season comes, carrot is not only used as a salad, but it is also cooked as vegetable. Carrot is also used as sweet dish, that is called gajar ka halwa. Gajar is the Hindi word for carrot, and there is a very famous, like, Indian sweet dish that's called gajar ka halwa or carrot sweet dish, carrot halwa. Is extremely beneficial. And see, like, how the food culture was designed in India in such a way, like, when carrot season will come, I think each and every household, almost all households in India, whenever carrot season will come, they make this gajar ka halwa as a sweet dish because it's extremely tasty, and children love it. So this way people are just consuming carrot because, you know, sweet dish, everybody likes sweets, and when sweet is made up of from such a healthy thing, it gives two benefits. One is taste for the tongue and health for your body. Eventually I will also share carrot recipe with you whenever carrot season will come. But those places where these days carrot season is going on, so it's very important, like, at least you should know the benefits of carrot, so that if carrots are available at your place, you can make use of them. In Ayurveda, carrot is considered as Oj Vardhak. Oj, as you know, our immunity, our strength, our capacity to fight any disease, whether it's chronic or a disease from outside. So in Ayurveda, it is called, there is a term called ojas. So this carrot is very, very beneficial in enhancing your ojas because it deep nourishes your dhatus, that is your cellular tissues. It is very beneficial for all cellular tissues in your body. That's why carrot is also known as dhatu poshaka. That means it will nourish your cellular tissues or tissues at the cellular level. And as you know, if our cells will become healthy, cells makes tissues and tissues makes organ. If our cells, that is the basic unit, if that will become healthy, naturally the organ will be healthy, and if organ will be healthy, our organ system will be healthy, whether it's digestive system, lymphatic system, cardiac system, nervous system, any system. So it is very, very important, like, we make a carrot as a part of our life. And all those people who are suffering from anemia, that is, who have iron deficiency, or they have extreme weakness in the system, and the reason is nutritional deficiency, then for all those people, because as you know, whenever we have nutritional deficiency, there are certain signs and symptoms that we feel in our body. Sometimes we feel weakness, sometimes we feel laziness, sometimes we don't feel ourselves very well, alert. So all these things happens when whenever we have nutritional deficiency or sometimes anemia, iron deficiency. So in all these cases we recommend carrot juice, carrot salad, carrot vegetable and carrot sweet dish. So it is very beneficial if you have a big glass of juice of carrot early morning. You can also mix it with the beetroot juice. These both juice is very beneficial. The juice of beetroot and carrot is very beneficial to recover from anemia. And it's very simple. Take 2-3 carrots, take 1 beetroot, just cut it, chop them in a juicer and just drink it empty stomach in the morning. Like once you finish your yoga, your practices, after that just go for a big glass of carrot and beetroot juice. It's very good detoxifier. It removes all the toxins from your system. So all those people who are asking for, like, is there some toxin removing recipe in Ayurveda? So this is very good recipe, that it's very cheap. It doesn't cost much. You can have beetroot, but make sure the beetroot should be fully ripe. That's called chukandar. Take the fruit of beetroot and remove the upper peel and outside peel, wash it properly and then just cut it into pieces, and take 2-3 carrots, wash it thoroughly, and after that chop it into small pieces and then put in juicer and take out the juice. And the juice that you take out, don't keep it for long. Immediately after taking out the juice from the juicer, drink it. You can add little bit of pepper and for taste little bit of salt if you want. So that for some people, especially the people who have kapha body type and those people who are more prone to sinusitis, cough, cold and throat infections, to these people sometimes this juice feels very cold, like it's very cold in potency, and it is very beneficial for pitta body type people. So for these people you can add little bit pinch of pepper over it and little bit of salt, so that it will not make your system excessively cool. So you can drink it. It is a very good detoxifier. 1 week you can drink, you will see the difference in your life even the day you drink it. It is extremely beneficial. So another question come, can cardiac patients have carrot? Yes, cardiac patients can also eat carrot. It's very safe to use, very safe to eat. And also the people who are having very frequent constipation, to them also this carrot is extremely beneficial. If you think, like, for some people beetroot is they are allergic to beetroot, and sometimes also happen like they eat beetroot and they feel throat not feeling good. For these people you can have only carrot juice with some kind of orange. If you want, you can mix it, or if you don't want orange, you just have carrot juice, squeeze little bit of lemon in it, half lemon you squeeze in it, and put little bit of pepper and little bit of salt. That way also you can have carrot juice with 2-3 carrots. If they are juicy carrots, you are able to take out this much amount of juice. You just squeeze little bit of lemon in it, that will also be very beneficial, and a little bit of pepper or salt for the taste. So this will also work very well as a natural detoxifier, and it is very beneficial for your eyes, for anemia. As you know, it is a very rich source in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E and vitamin C. So all these vitamins are there in it. In addition to that, it also contains antioxidants. In addition to that, they have a lot of minerals, because as you know, carrot grows underground. It is not growing on trees. Many people don't know where carrot grows. In my childhood, I also don't know where carrot grows, but carrot grows underground. So anything that grows underground, like inside the ground, it contains a lot of minerals. So if somebody has mineral deficiency, for them also this carrot juice is extremely beneficial. It is a very good nervine tonic, very good tonic for nerves. It just relaxes your mind totally. So all those people who are having problem with the anxiety and all excessive thoughts and excessive thinking and depression patients also. So for all these people, this carrot juice is extremely beneficial. You can make use of it, except for diabetic people, because in diabetic people, if carrot is very sweet, I think you cannot have big glass of carrot juice, but you can have little bit. So add half lemon in it before drinking, so that the sweetness of carrot will not disturb your sugar levels. In addition to that, all those people who have blood pressure problems, that is high blood pressure, and in many cases this happen, like there is essential hypertension, that is the kind of hypertension whose reason is not known. Many times hypertension happens because of cardiac reasons, many times hypertension happens because of renal reasons, and sometimes also hypertension happens without any reason. That is called essential hypertension, in which the reason of the hypertension is not known. So especially in these patients also, this carrot juice is extremely beneficial. You please make use of it, and you will see the results, how it will make your body extremely healthy. So this the carrot is of two types, red carrot and black carrot. Black carrot, in some places it's been found the juice of black carrot is also very beneficial. I also have taken black carrot juice once or twice, because the place from where I belong here, in season only red carrot comes, but black carrot also has a lot of properties, same as red carrot. So if you have black carrot, you can make use of black carrot. If you have red carrot, you can make use of red carrot. Both carrots are very good, but make sure that you include carrot in your diet, not only as a salad, but as a vegetable, as a fruit. Like, you know, when you eat it raw, it becomes fruit, and it's very good for health. It's a natural detoxifier, and when you cook it as vegetable, it becomes extremely digestive. It's very good to digest, very easy to digest, and for some reasons, whenever you have late dinners, for sometimes it happens like this question, many times people keep writing me, oh, what to eat, we are having late dinners. So you can have carrot soup and a carrot vegetable, because it gets digested very easily, and it will give a lot of nutrition to you. So this is a very good thing, and try to cook carrot without any garlic, because carrot is considered as extremely sattvic food. So it is very good for the health of your heart, for your sadhak pitta, that is emotions. So carrot. So start using carrot from today. I recommend carrot to everyone for their best of health. Also, one more very beneficial use of carrot is, like, people asking what to apply on my face, what to apply on my face. So this carrot you just smash it, raw carrot, remove the outside peel, and just take carrot, mix it with the brown chickpea flour, just mix it up well and just apply on your face. Or if not like this, you just take carrot and just rub it on your face. That will also be very beneficial to enhance the beauty of your skin. In addition to that, all those people who have pimple problems and who are very common eruptions to them also, if you keep using this carrot paste daily, it is extremely beneficial for the health of your skin, of your face, and it will make your face glowing, it will make your skin better, and it will make your health better if you drink it, and also it will satisfy the taste buds, your tongue, if you are making or if you are eating it as a sweet dish, gajar ka halwa, that is carrot sweet dish. It's extremely tasty, and if there is a possibility, I will let you know like how to cook it, so that you can also make use of it. And especially children like it, love it, so it is very good. But sometimes this happen, like whenever you have sore throat or when you have chest infection or bronchial problems, in these seasons especially, like when you have some bacterial infection in throat or in chest infection, these days don't take carrot juice because it is kapha enhancing, and excessive kapha means excessive mucus. So it's very, very important, like whenever you have this any kind of viral fever or these kind of things which include chest infection, pneumonia, bronchitis, all these things. So in these conditions, or common cold, in these conditions don't take carrot as a juice, but you can use carrot as a soup. So carrot juice is very beneficial, but in these cases, whenever like the certain terminology I mentioned, like throat infection, common cold, throat pain, in all these things you don't take carrot juice, you take carrot soup. Carrot soup will be extremely nourishing and beneficial for you. And also if you have fever, you can have this carrot soup. It is very beneficial for health, and it just make you feel extremely good. Just put little bit of pepper so that it will get well digested, and little bit of salt. So that's all about carrot. I hope you will start using carrot as a salad, as a vegetable, or as a sweet dish, as a soup, and or as a juice. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please write down those questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button, and so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share if you like my videos. And thank you so much for clicking likes and giving us so much love. Thank you for support. Bye. Take care.